Our target sound is lamp. The key sentence is, the little lamp fell. Remember, the key sentence is really cool because it will remind us the most common ways to spell the little lamp fell. I notice there sometimes is spelled with 2 letters, and in lamp it's spelled with 1 letter. Little, lamp, fell. There's actually lots and lots of ways to spell the sound. I counted 15. Here are the most common ways, and it's a good place to start. Light, fell, table, animal. Now I'm going to read some words that have the sound. Please look at the spellings. What do you notice and what do you wonder about the spelling for wall, table, castle, circle, criminal, angel, pencil, symbol, animal, lock, log, bubble. I notice that a lot of times it looks like when the spelling is at the end of a word, especially a word that has more than 1 syllable, it's a 2-letter spelling. I notice at the beginning of a word, it's a 1-letter spelling. That's interesting. Pause for a little bit and look to see what you notice and what is your favorite spelling.